Question for Goa SSC 2026. I have seen the students who are solving this question and someone who's solving this question by using conventional approach. What is conventional approach and why this question can be solved without using conventional approach? And let's say how much time it takes in both cases. First of all, what is constant in this question? Distance, right? So in first case, they are saying a train is traveling at an average speed of 42 km per hour and it covers that distance with 45 minutes. Now 45 minutes is 3 by 4 hours. So distance is speed into time, right? Since speed is given as 42, time will be
54 kilometers per hour.
3 by 4, right?
Is that the
So
correct
now
answer?
distance will be 2 and this is 21. So now your distance will be 63 by 2. Keep it in this form will be right. Now distance is constant. In second case, again you have to find out the speed, right? Again we'll use formula distance is speed into time because in second case you are supposed to find out the speed. Distance is fixed, which is 63 by 2 is equal to speed, don't know, and this is 35 by 65 minutes, hours, 5 7s are 5 12s are 2 6 are 7 9s are, and cross multiply 9 into 6 is equal to s. S is equal to 54 kilometers per hour.
हो जाता मेरा भी 1 मिनट के अंदर
Right? Not a very good strategy to solve this question by using this approach.
आपकी इससे हो गया
Right? So I'll tell you what is constant. Distance is constant. So when distance is constant, in ratio chapter, we have learned that something is inversely proportional, right? So distance is constant. That means the ratio of speed is equal to ratio of inversely proportional of ratio of time taken. That means speed in first case over speed in second case is equal to time taken in second case over time taken in first case. Speed in first case is what? 42. 2. Second case, you want you can take x. Time taken in second case, 35 minutes. Second case is 45 minutes. First case is 45 minutes. Minutes get cancelled. There is no need to conversion. 5 7s are 5 9s are 7 6 are, and take this x to that side. 9 6 are 54. So your speed is 54 kilometers per hour. Not good method. Takes close to 1 minute for a smart candidate to solve. Hardly take 30 seconds.
मैंने आपके इससे ही किया वो भी वैसे ही हुआ
Same
ST
time is
42x
important.
9 by 12 7 by 12 and 42 is